It's recording.
Hello there. I'm just kidding. Hi guys, Chloe from Kawaii Lighting here. It's Valentine's Day, which is Kawaii Lighting's favorite holiday ever. I have all of my favorite products in front of me and behind me, and today I'm going to show you guys how I do one of my favorite things, which is to make cute little bouquets of flowers. What a better day to do it than for Valentine's Day, because I'm going to be making Valentine's Day bouquets for all of my Valentines using some flowers that I got from the store, as well as some things that I just found around the house to get a little bit creative. So let's get started. Here I have, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know what some of these flowers are called, but one day when I open my own flower shop, I will know by then, I promise. Okay, so these are just some really, these smell so good. The leaves of these are kind of like thin, but they smell like lemongrass when you kind of rub them and break them apart. So these are really fun, and they're cute little flowers. So these are really nice things to add for like extra little decor. I love them. The next flower that I have is this guy right here, and I really love how this looks like a little worm, especially at the top. It like flattens out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a really fun little addition to have as well. Also, my favorite ever, eucalyptus. I love it so much. I try to treat myself to eucalyptus whenever I can because it smells amazing. You can have it in your shower too. It just smells so good. So I really love to add eucalyptus to any bouquet that I do. And finally, just a rose. Pretty little rose. I love these roses so much. I went with pink today. I usually go with like a lighter color rose, like a more pale pink, but I went with a stronger pink today. I think it matches my dress, so I'm really happy that I got this bunch. So we'll start with this. Oh, actually what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to take these sprigs out because they can be used for smaller bouquets, which is what we're doing today. Oh my god, this is so adorable. I love how this is looking already. It's like a miniature bouquet. I love it. I love it. I love it. I have 10 roses. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna grab 2 roses for this bouquet. 6 of these. So, oh my gosh, it's already looking so pretty. I'm gonna trim some of these leaves just because they're getting in the way, but they are really pretty. I do love them. I just, you know, sometimes it's a little too much. Okay, amazing. We're gonna have, I'm gonna grab all of these now, kind of like a nice little background. Oops, okay. Oh no, okay, I thought I broke that. That would be so sad. All right, this is so cute. Okay, I love it, I love it, I love it. Add a couple of eucalyptus to it. And we have ourselves a bouquet. Oh my god, this is so precious. This is so fun. Okay, I already see some of these dropping. That's okay. Some of them are shorter than others, but we have a lot to work with, so. Oh my gosh, how do you guys like this? I think this is adorable, but I am a lover of all things like miniature and pink and cute, obviously. So yeah, I think this is coming out pretty well so far. So I'm going to cut this to a more reasonable length with my professional shears. If you are watching this and you are young and you don't know how to use this kind of tool, please have an adult help you. I feel like I am responsible for saying that. Okay, good. Have this at a good length. I'm just gonna throw these on the floor. I love this. Okay, I'm gonna grab my rubber band, kind of seal it all together. Initial seal. Okay, so far so good. I think my Valentines are really gonna love this. Okay, And then I got this I have a couple of fun things I found from around the house. So one thing I'm gonna use is, this was from like something that I bought as a backdrop to hang. So it's just all these like iridescent strings. If you can't tell already, I love iridescent everything. So I'm gonna be cutting this string up to wrap around. I have this fun paper as well. For everyone who's into ASMR, I'm sure you're loving this right now. Okay, I'm done. And then finally, I have this pink masking tape I may or may not use to kind of like seal it off. I'm not sure. We'll see. Okay, so let's get to sizing this with the paper. Oh, nice. Cut it, use it as a backdrop like this. Oh, except I need to have the roses showing a little bit more. Okay. Have it as a backdrop. Wrap it around a little bit so it's kind of like holding it like a hug. And then I think, should we do the masking tape? Yeah, let's do the masking tape. Cute. Okay, I love it. Oh, I'm gonna take this off. Cute. And finally, some string. And make a fun little bow. All right, I am done with my bouquet. So I'm just gonna put the finishing touches. I'm gonna like move this rose forward a little so it shows a little bit more. Maybe kind of disperse these two amongst the bouquet, and voila, we have a cute little bouquet for my Valentine. So if you have a market nearby where you can get some fresh flowers and some like fun stuff just around the house, you can get a little bit creative and make a fun bouquet too. We love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting us, and have a happy Valentine's Day.